Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable NAS storage mounting for faster editing in Premiere Pro, full guide step by step clearly. To enable NAS storage mounting for faster editing in Premiere Pro, begin by ensuring your network attached storage device is correctly set up and accessible. Connect your computer to the same network as your NAS. Next, locate the IP address of your NAS device by checking its settings or using a network scanning tool. Open File Explorer on your computer and select this PC. Click on Map Network Drive in the ribbon at the top of the window. Choose a drive letter from the drop-down menu. In the folder field, enter the IP address of your NAS followed by the shared folder name. For example, it should look like this / 192.168.1.100 /shared folder. Check the box for Reconnected Sign-in if you want this drive to mount automatically each time you log in. Click Finish to complete the mapping process. You may need to enter your NAS username and password to access the shared folder. Once the network drive is mapped, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to the Media Browser panel within Premiere Pro. Navigate to the newly created network drive listed in the Media Browser. Browse to your media files stored on the NAS. Select the files you want to import into your project. Right-click on the selected files and choose Import. Monitor the import process to ensure all files are brought into your project. Now you can work on your project while accessing media files directly from your NAS. For optimal performance, ensure that your NAS supports high-speed file transfer protocols like SMB or NFS. Consider enabling link aggregation on your NAS and network switch if supported. This can significantly increase the speed of data transfer between your NAS and editing workstation. Adjust Premiere Pro's preferences to optimize performance by navigating to Preferences Media Cache. Choose an appropriate location for your media cache that can handle the increased read and write speeds. After adjusting the settings, restart Premiere Pro to ensure all changes take effect. Test your setup by scrubbing through your timeline and playing back clips to ensure smooth performance. With these steps completed, you should experience faster editing and smoother playback in Premiere Pro using your NAS storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.